Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a brand new subscription box to bring to you, and I'm really excited. This is the Fruit for Thought. This is for June. Do you want to see what is inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this is June's Fruit for Thought box. I have been watching Abadab's unboxes for 3 or 4 months now, and it gets better every single month. And so when they reached out to me and asked if I would review it, I was like, oh my gosh, I was so honored that she actually wanted me to review their box on my channel so I can show you guys. So I'm so pleased. So thank you so much for sending me your box to review. I greatly appreciate it, and I cannot wait. So you guys, let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about the company. Normally what I do is when I get a new box, I have time to research it, get all the information, print it out, and have it on hand for you guys. Today I was so busy at work that when this came, I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta get that information. And then the day went by, here I am now home, and I'm like, I didn't have a chance to get that information. So I pulled up their website, and it says that actually shows like their themes for the upcoming months. And you guys, okay, so this is June. I don't know what's in here, but we will find out. But July is tropical fruit. That sounds amazing. August, peaches and cream. Oh my goodness. I love me peach, and peaches and cream is so good. So August is going to be a month that I definitely am going to have to look into. September, peanut butter and banana. Okay, they have me again. I love me some peanut butter and banana. So that is awesome, you guys. So if you sign up by the 10th of the month, you'll still receive that month's box. But if you sign up after the 10th, then you'll receive next month. So right now, if you sign up, you will be guaranteed to get next month, which is tropical fruit. And I bet you that's going to be an amazing theme. So let me go ahead and see what is all about this, what is in the box and how much it is and all of that good stuff, you guys. So what's inside? It says a new fruit and sometimes vegetable theme each month, and will include 5 to 8 plus fun and unusual products with an assortment of scents, flavors, and colors relating to that theme. Products may include home accessories, jewelry, luxurious bath and body products, stationery, yummy goodies, and more. So let's see how much this bad boy is. Okay, so you can do a mini small size for $31.99. You can do a full size for $44.99, and then the more months you get, the cheaper the subscription would be. But there's 2 different sizes, the mini and the full size. So the mini, you would get 4 to 5 items, and the full size, you'll get the 5 to 8. So that is not bad. And what I've seen, it looks like it's definitely worth it. So let's go ahead and dive on in. I'm so excited, you guys. So excited. So let's see what this, I have a little fringe. My mailman handed this to me. I'm like, were you trying to take something out of my box or look in my box? He's like, no. I'm like, then why is there stuff hanging out of my box? He's like, I don't know. I'm like, okay, because this is a girly box. It's not for you. So this is the inside. There is a card right on top, and look how pretty. It's actually nice bright yellow paper. There's sticker, Fruit for Thoughts. And there's this like ribbon with all the little fruits on it. That is so pretty. I've never seen one with a ribbon that wraps around it like that. So here is a card, and that is their website. It is fruitforthoughtgifts.com. And she wrote, "Hi Tracy, thank you in advance for your review. Please use code CRAFTY20 for 20% off any length of full-size subscription." That is awesome. So if you guys want to check this out and you don't want to miss the next upcoming amazing themes, then use just Crafty. Crafty20 will get you 20% off if you get the full-size subscription box of any length. So that is awesome. Crafty20 gets you 20% off. Thank you for giving me a code. I love when the companies give me codes to save you guys money. That is amazing. So let me cut the tape. Let me get in here. June theme is lemonade. Yay, and I love lemons. Look how pretty. And everything is all yellow. And that's one thing. What I've noticed is they have the theme and they color coordinate it with everything. And it looks so cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive on in here and see what is in here. Now, do they give pricing? No, there's not pricing, but let's go ahead and just dive on in here and then we'll see what the sales. But I do see some spoilers on the front of it. So let's go ahead and see. So right on top, ooh, here is a set. Ooh, and these are so pretty. Here's a set of serving. This is a serving set. And they have lemons on them. And they're not like very, very thin. These are some thick plastic. So that's a good quality. And they're like serving spoons. And they have the lemons on them. Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh, those are adorable. I love that. I can't wait to use these. And especially for salad, for anything, any type of serving spoons, you have these. Those are so cute. I love that, you guys. Okay, so next in here, we have is a Gray Ghost Bakery scratch made cookies, lemon sugar. And there's 2 of them in here. A Southern family recipe. So we have 2. I love lemon cookies, lemon bread, lemon drop stuff. Like, I love lemon stuff. So there's that. And there is the back. I can't wait to try those. Yay. Okay, so then next we have in here is Petty in a Box, a complete 4-step pedicure system. Ooh, 1, sea salt soak. 2, sugar scrub. 3, mud mask. 4, massage butter. That sounds amazing. Let's see what's in here. And it's all yellow, of course. And it is the lemon. It's a lemon theme, so it's a lemon quench. So this is a sea salt soak. Okay. Then we have the sugar scrub, the mud mask, and the massage lotion. That is so cool. I've never had like a little 4-step or even a 3-step situation for your feet. So that is awesome. I can't wait to try those. So there's the one, the lemon quench. There's the sea soak. There's the sugar scrub, mud mask, and the massage lotion. That is so cool. I bet you they smell like lemon too. Lemon quench, Petty in a Box. That is awesome. Have you guys seen anything like this before? Now I have. So there's 3 items. There's so much more in here still, you guys. Okay, so this is Scrub It, New Hampshire, Facebook, Instagram. It has an address, so it says Scrub It. What is this? Ingredients, pink lemonade body scrub. Ooh, really? Oh my gosh, that smells like pink lemonade. I almost want to eat that. Oh, I love pink lemonade. Oh my gosh. You guys, I really, really wish you could smell this because this smells like pink lemonade. I cannot wait. Oh my gosh, you can even smell it through the package. It's that strong, like I cannot wait. I'm gonna put this in my shower. I'm using that bad boy tonight. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now we have, how cool, some lemon heads. I love lemon heads and perfect for the theme. You guys, you gotta throw in some lemon heads. So they think of everything. Lemon heads, that is so cool. All right, now we have, are these, oh, yes! I got this same brand from another box. And it was my very first shower steamer. And it was, I think it was like a coconut or something like that. And I really, really liked it. And one of you guys said, just chop this in 4s and you can enjoy 4 of them. And I was like, that's awesome. This one's lemonade and pink lemonade. I can't wait. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. I cannot wait. And so thank you for that tip because I'm gonna go ahead and cut these so I can get more than one use out of them, and that's amazing. And I really did like it. It was the same brand. So there's the regular lemonade shower steamer right there, and then there's the pink lemonade shower steamer. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. You guys, I don't take baths. I don't take baths at all. And I've been dying to try a shower steamer. And now I've gotten 2, actually now 3 this month because of the mystery bag. I got another one. Anyway, long story short. Now I have these lemonade ones that they smell so good. And I can't wait. I'm going to use that tonight too. And the last item in here, is this a dish towel? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. How cute. This is a dish towel. It says hang tight. Oh, look. I'm like reading the back like, what is he doing back here? It says hang tight towel. And I'm like, what are all these steps? Like, where are you supposed to be hanging this? It's because it has this. So you can, it says fold into thirds, place over the handle, pull towel through the loop to desired length. So this holds it together. That is cool. I've never seen a towel like that. I like that because then you can just keep it all in place. That is really cool. Have you guys seen a towel that had one of those so you can fold it in place and keep it all together? That is so clever. June, it doesn't say clevers? June, clever. And I'm like, that is so clever. And it says it right there. How cool. I really like that. Yay, and I get another, and this is a nice feeling dish towel. Like, this is probably the one that I would like to put on my stove to where it's the one where I don't touch, but I love to have it look nice. So I think that's where I'm gonna put this one, is right on my stove. So that's gonna look amazing. And then it has the little thing so it can stay in the right spot. And yeah, I love that. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that came in this month. Again, it's the lemon theme. I think this was amazing. You have a towel, which has a cool little thing on there that I've never seen before. You have 2 smell good lemonade and pink lemonade shower steamers, which is amazing because I don't use baths or bath bombs or anything like that. So shower steamers is perfect. You have this petty in a box, which that's amazing. I've never seen or heard anything, but I cannot wait to try this out because now you have 4 different things and it gives you something to look forward to. Instead of just like one thing, you get to treat yourself, and I love that. You have your lemon heads. You have 2 lemon cookies. You have the pink lemonade sugar body scrub that smells so good. And this is a big size and it's filled to the brim, you guys. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. And then you have these really cute utensils. And again, these are not like just thin plastic. Like a lot of my boxes have been getting like dollar store stuff, you guys are telling me. These are definitely not. These are nice, thick. These are good quality right here. These are really good quality. So I really love that, you guys. What do you think about this box? Don't forget, I will go ahead and put their link to their website down below, and Crafty20 will get you 20% off. I'm probably gonna need to sign up for this because I'm dying to see this peaches and cream and the peanut butter and banana. Those are going to be incredible boxes. And you guys, every month that I have seen so far, again, I've seen 3 or 4 of them so far, and they just get better and better, and they're just amazing with the whole theme and the color coordination and everything. So this is a really cool box. I really love it. So that is amazing, you guys. Again, that is everything that was in this box. I really, really love this box. I think that they are doing amazing with everything, how they're curating their boxes. So if you want to check them out, definitely follow the link. Use my code. If you sign up, you can save that 20% off, and that is amazing. So thank you again, Fruit for Thoughts, for sending me your amazing box to review. I really, really do enjoy this, and I love the whole theme. I love how it's all color coordinated, and it's all lemonade, pink and regular, so that's cool because it gives you a little bit of a variation. It's not all just standard lemonade. That is really, really cool. I love that. So thank you so much, you guys, for tuning in and watching. If you're not already, I'd greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button so you won't miss a future video that I have on my channel. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.